Hello friends, once again to your own channel Technology Transforming, and as you know we started this series on lockdown and currently we are doing in MS Excel. If you are new here, you just go through our channel. This is our channel Technology Transforming, and we made a lot of videos. You can see from how to operate computer from basic. If you don't know anything, you can just see one of these videos, and our channel is basically Hindi and English both. So if you have some problem in your computer, you can see this video where you can find some this video where you can find some tricks, so your computer can be faster and it can be work fast. And apart from that, we did MS Paint, MS Paint 3D, then MS Word full series, then MS Excel we started, and we already completed 12 series. So this is 13 series. So you can just go through once, whatever you want to learn, you learn it. We have given all the things in description box. Suppose I will give you example what we have given in description box. So I will click on first or second part, so you can understand this is basically our video. So you can just go to here and you can find out what command we have given. Here we have talk about how to subtraction, multiplication, division, power and other things. So basically you can see, and all the links will be below. If you see our new video, so I will show you how it will be. Suppose I have this last video and I will go to this. So you just see all the links already is there, all the parts, even English is there and Hindi is there. So you can just go through with the individual links, and I hope you are learning all these things and applying. Thank you for your support. So basically we'll go to today's session. So okay, last sessions we did this all the things line, how it will be the spark and other thing will bump. Basically insert tab we covered. So if you are new here, you can see this is our we already explained a lot of things, pivot chart, everything we explained. We covered some beautiful topics. So you can visit, you have to see the personal budget, how to make personal budget. So we have given you idea, you can track your budget, track your cost, track your expenses. So that's there. So this is not required right now for what I'm explaining. So I will hide this and I will make this sheet little bit zoom in so you can see all those things. So basically we have this sheet in our session third. So today we'll cover page layout and view. So page layout, basically theme will not applicable here, but yeah, we'll try to do something. So see if I'm applying is all the things are changing here, some changes are there. So if I will apply this theme, so this something is changes. So whatever theme you required, you can just take it. Color you can choose from here. Fonts again you can choose from here, or you can choose from home. Effect will not showing effect here. Basically margins is important. This we talk about MS Word also. Once we started MS Word, so first topic is page layout, because if page layout is not correct, then you can't give good printout output, so it's not look like nice. So you have to work margins. What is the margin? So basically normal margin will be just 0.75 inches, then left, right, and whatever it is there, wide, narrow. You can do custom margins. You can see how the page looks like. You can put header and footer here, and you can do print preview. So if print preview is there, then you just see what is the print preview. So basically the print preview is right now it's portrait mode. You can, once you change this mode, then you can see what is the portrait mode and this, but this sheet is fitting into portrait mode. From here you can do page setup. So page setup, generally if you adjust here, sometimes you will see, oh, your sheet in your page, the sheets is coming this much only. So what you will do in that case, you just go page setup, and all the windows 7, and after 7, 8 or 10, all the windows is the options will be fit to maybe difficult in MS what you called previous versions, but right now all the windows you can just do fit into one by one or whatever pages are there, so it will fit automatically. So it will take automatic space in your sheet. If you want to do more, then you just go to page setup and again put some more, so maybe it can go to further this thing in your full page. So you can easily presentable to your you can say whatever it is for your purpose or your management purpose, your office work or whatever it is. So basically this is there. Then we'll just see what in others in margins we cover up. Then orientation basically I told this is by default landscape. Here will be portable. So if we do this portable, so what happens, first of all you see maybe I don't know, my cursor is there, one line is coming here. So basically this will see in view. So view, what happen if I go to page breakup, here is two pages, one page is this and one page is two, because of width of the page. So basically this page has two printout there. So if we want one printout, I will cover here itself. You can just drag this to here, so it will be one page now. But one page will we can see how it will be reflected into our actual page. So we'll see here print preview. It's very small, so better we can change this orientation into landscape in this case. So we'll change this into landscape, so it will looks like nice. Again we'll just check. Yeah, but again we have to set up because it's this thing, so fit it one by one and you can increase your this thing accordingly, your requirement. So basically orientation is done. Then we have size is basically there are letter. If you have letterhead, so letterhead will be standard size will be 8.5 inches to 11 inches. Then A4, this 8.27 to this size, then A3. So different sizes are there. If you have like doing AutoCAD work, maybe you require more paper size, then A1, A0 and A2 size is also required. Print area basically this much is the print area, so it's by default already selected. Okay, so I will change to normal and then we'll see. So page layout, again we background, you just go to background and from browse you can see and you can just click here. So background, whatever it is there, background will come automatically. So right now we don't want. Then we have print tiles. If you want something like these also, so it will also prints these right now. So width page, height we can set here, scale we can do. Then greetings is one of my favorite, and I just do unhide that will all the lines will goes out. So you can easily work on the Excel sheet basically. So it's right now this thing is there, sometime it's disturbing, so you can just uncheck and you can do. Then we have headings. It's like heading will be what this whatever it is, so it's already gone. Bring forward, send backward we already discussed. Alignment we discussed. Rotate, group we already discussed. Okay, so this thing is clear. Now we'll go to view, and view we have to normal. This is the normal, whatever we have. Then page break preview means whatever we want, we would like to have that. Suppose you want only half of the page till here, the printout, so you can select this and you can do. Okay, I will just zoom in this, so maybe you will come to know. So if you want only this much, so this much will only come as a print. Okay, so this is the print. So we'll do again normal. And page layout is basically this is the page, full page. You can see the page till 24 row the data will print it into this. Okay, so this is the page layout and how it will be the page. Then the next page, then the next page. So like this you can just see all the pages are correctly aligned or not. So basically that's there. Then custom view, suppose like in case of the salary, and the salary format is for everybody has the same, so you can make one format and you can set. So add and one format. Once you all the print out the salary, you just select the salary and applicable into all. So we talk about salary in MS Word. So you can see from how to make salary slip. So we already talked in the MS Word things. Then we have griddings we talk about. Ruler is basically this, we seeing some ruler, but this work will be in the MS Word. It's not work in Excel. Sometime maybe it happens in case of some documents. Formula bar, the formula bar we can uncheck, so formula bar is out. Heading we already talk about. Zoom, you can do all the zoom thing in this. Then we have zoom, you can make it zoom selection. New window, if you click into this, the new window will be open. Okay, so same new window, and if you want to work with both the windows, so you can go there and you can arrange all, and you can arrange suppose horizontally, so both the things will be, you know, top and down. So you want to copy, but maximum people will arrange with vertically. So, you know, if you want to take something from here to here, this sheet, so you can do on this way. And then we have arrange all in diff, you can see these things. Then freeze panel, is basically what, if we click on this, right now it's going up and down, right? So if you want freeze panel, so you can freeze panel. Okay, so this is the freeze, the first row is the freeze. So basically it's, you know, freeze panel. So you can do just those things, freeze panel. Then split is what, basically suppose you want you have the, you know, in pivot chart we have like 120 page 120 rows of data, and we don't know, okay, suppose we go out, what is this, what is the marks of this, so we want, you know, this should be as a split. So what we'll do, we'll select this and we'll do here split. Where is split? So what happen, if you see, we have basically two sheets. One will be okay, just a minute, I will cancel this split and I will make once again, so split. Okay, now what happened, you just see two sheets are there, and these sheets in the top of the sheets, basically it took split off. Okay, I will do C, so you can just see all the headings there. So this is the split thing, and we don't want split, so split. Then hide, if you want anything hide, one sheet full will be hide, now only other sheet will be there. Earlier we have two sheet, right? So we have only one sheet, so you have to do again hide. So unhide, you can make it what you want, you can do unhide from here, and again unhide from here. Okay, so other sheet will also come. So this is the unhide. Then view by site, you can see, you know, whatever it's. Then switch, you can just do whatever, if you have multiple sheets open, you can do switch window from here. So I hope so you like our this series of video, and of course I hope so you understand what is you know, options in page layout and view, and you are continuing like this. So maybe another 5 to 6 session will be there is MS Excel. After that we'll go to MS PowerPoint, and then we'll go to further advanced things. So if you're new here, please subscribe our channel. If you like it, you just share with your family and friends, and we'll see you in next session. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your